We are heading to TIFF, Toronto International Film Festival. It was an early morning and my eyes are still puffy, but here we go. TIFF kicked off with a little nice breakfast. A room full of fellas from different media outlets, from the States, from Europe, from all over the world. During the welcoming breakfast, I met a couple fellas from other media outlets. They are really nice people. They know that this is my first TIFF, and even I have been living in Toronto for 2 years. I'm still new to the country, still new to the city. So after the breakfast, they showed me around, told me some inside secrets about the industry. You know, there's a lot. People say TIFF is like a marathon. This year, it goes from September 7th to 17th. As it is still the first day, I'm trying to just fill it out. The mayor showed up the first day.
Wow! I know! Amazing. Opening night! Wow! So I'm Bounce Andy Lau's grew up in Hong Kong. Andy Lau, the movie star. And
she loves Andy Lau. She just cannot stop raving about him. In between red carpet, one after another, numerous screenings, premieres, there is tons of events like this for people to meet people, to network, socialize, mingle. You know, when I was a kid, I grew up watching a lot of movies, and in those movies, there's a lot of occasions like this. Social occasions, business people, meeting new people, talk about great deals or business with them. Everybody holding a glass of wine, and now I'm living in it.
Change the hatred, to change the anti-Semitism cannot be changed.
This is a private party of a film cast because, you know, during the festival, there's plenty of film crews, directors, casts. Well, I apologize that I didn't remember which one this was. I didn't remember the name of the film, the director, or the cast. It's literally just non-stop events, one after another, another one. Sometimes we have to go to 3 or 4 events just within one day. Something funny happened here. First of all, I'm not a big drinker. I don't like alcohol. I'll just be blunt. So obviously, I have some trouble just ordering a drink or a very professional drink. I don't know the names. I don't know how you mix them, right? So, my friend was standing next to me and I said I wanted lemonade. And then the bartender said, okay, with what? I said, just lemonade. And then he was in shock and my friend was a little bit surprised. I insist that I want a lemonade. And then he gave me a glass of lemonade and I drank it. It's not how it should taste like. So my friend laughed at me. He said, this is a bar and we're ordering alcohol. He laughed at me, but it's okay. I really have to point it out that as media people, we really have a lot of privilege, especially with this baby. With the media pass, you just can't go anywhere you want. Plus, especially I'm representing Rolling Stone Korea. Every time when I see people's reactions to the brand Rolling Stone Korea, I am so touched that the brand, the iconic brand, is still loved by so many people, recognized by so many audience.
Exactly. Oh, just give me a second. I know you have a big jacket. And,
I know. It's not
oh,
fair,
thank you.
right?
Thank you.
It's fine, yeah.
In Cambodia by a woman cooperative.
Wow, it feels so good.
It's very warm.
Yeah, you feel warm now?
Yeah, that's right. K-pop is the thing.
Yeah, definitely. Taking over the world.
Nice to see you. Yeah, entertainment industry. Yeah, but for a long time. Oh, excellent! Do it. Well, you should actually. If you can send me a note, I can put you in touch with the people that organize it. So what it has is they have the.
Necessarily, I can be real bold to say.
Well, Rolling Stone Korea, would you like to say hello to our fans in Korea?
Yes, of course. Hello, fans. I miss you all. Wish you were here.
I've been dating Toronto for 2 years. After TIFF, I feel like my relationship with Toronto has got stronger, has got closer. Seems like I've explored more about him. Before I came to Canada, I always had this impression that Canadians are way more laid back compared to Americans. But now I've seen more sides of it, knowing that there's still a lot of young people in Toronto that have big dreams, want massive achievements, or have already achieved success. And I'm proud to call them my friends. They give me inspiration and infinite motivation. I still have American dream in a very strong way. I know I have so many great things to accomplish, and I'm 1000% sure I'm in the right place with the right people.